episode of this drama left me so confused and like emotional. I don't know how to feel about certain characters right now. I don't know what's going on. Also, I have a feeling that this drama is going to make me cry. If you've been on my channel long enough, you know that I am a crier. Sir Magic Man, he has a way about him. I don't know what that way is. Got a strange bird. His intentions are questionable. But I'm gonna trust that he's there for the right reasons, because like I said before, I think that this drama is just gonna be one of those like heartwarming, I wanna watch it again dramas by the end. I just know it is. So let's get to this episode. He must feel really, really desperate. Man, everybody's going through something. Ain't that life? Ain't that life?
왜 말 안 했어?
가기 싫어서. 비싸기만 하고.
She's trying to be so considerate of her sister. Oh, she has my heart. Oh. She's gonna make the deal. She's gonna do the thing for her sister. I guess it's one of those things that, like, if you know all the answers, you know what to get wrong.
다음번엔 절대로 그런 실수하지 말아야지.
Man, I feel so bad for this girl.
아야, 응? 만약에 엄마 잃어버리면 절대 다른 데 가지 말고 여기 회전목마 앞으로 오는 거야.
But mama, you lived. You gone.
여기서 기다릴게.
And she went back to the merry-go-round and her mom isn't there. This is so sad. Ooh, she just want her mama. Oh. Who toes out?
우는 아이 달랠 때는 저기 회전 목마가 짱인데.
Does it work? Well, he got magic. Of course, he can get it to work.
그냥 기계 돌릴 건데. 저기 스위치만 켜면 돼.
So you're not gonna turn it on with magic? You just gonna flip the switch? Dang, I thought he was gonna use magic.
이 마음이 고장났을 땐 어떻게 해야 되는지 알아?
No, I don't know. Tell me.
어떻게 해야 되는데요?
주문을 외우면 돼. 그러면 막 좋았던 기억들이 이렇게 떠오르면서 아, 난 다 잘 될 거야.
This is the most normal conversation they had this whole show.
annarasumanara.
Oh, he used magic this time. He ain't pressed the button. So he just chooses when he wants to use magic and when he want to work stuff manually. I was gonna say, I'm gonna be real disappointed if he don't start singing when she on this merry-go-round. Man. Wait, is it gonna start flying? Get the magic on. I wanna see it. You didn't even give her no warning? Her head just cocked back. Now, if you don't believe after this, you in complete denial. You galloping on air. I couldn't do that. I'm afraid of heights. I really do love this song. It's so magical. I'm sorry, that's too high. That's way too high. Her going into the clouds? She not even questioning it? Guess he said, okay, she questioned a little bit. That's exactly how I would feel. Where'd he go? Okay. Oh, you can't just be jumping off horses like that. They in space. This is. Oh, okay. Was it in her head? Was it magically in her head? Were they in space? I was having a moment. Where did he go? What is happening? You can't just stop and start magic like that. You gotta ease people on out. Ease us on out. I got a little bit too worked up there. I'm sorry.
우리 반에 전 과목 전교 석차 1등을 한 학생이 있다. 맞았어요. 바로 날드.
They know he normally don't get first in math.
아, 그 수행평가 말이야. 내라는 게 너무 많아서 내가 좀 힘든데. 그것도 좀 대신 해줄래?
Their relationship went from being kind of like awkward cute to just sticky.
혹시 서윤 알아요?
Did he really have something to do with her? Where did it go? Where did it
이게
go?
베니싱. 자, 이제 첫 번째 시간.
So you jealous now?
베니싱부터 연습.
He is jealous. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Well, y'all exchanging money.
너 돈 때문이 아니었어?
Oh, was he hoping that if he gave her money, then she wouldn't go to him? Is that what that was? Is he gonna face off with him? Is he gonna tell him how he feel about what he feel?
너 말이야. 나에 대해서 아주 관심이 많은 것 같다.
He ain't looking at him with his stank face, so maybe he'll get a song too, baby.
관심이 아니라 의심이죠.
너 팬티 입고 다니냐?
Why he asked it? Wait.
뭐요?
팬티.
어차피 당신 같은 인생은 밑바닥에서 시작해서 밑바닥에서 끝나는 거야.
You can't just be talking about folks like this. Oh, he's so stressed out.
그저 행복이란 건 간단해. 그냥 앞만 보고
Oh.
뛰어가면.
No, I love this too. This metaphor is beautifully done. Like stuff you gotta do to stay ahead of everybody else is not always pretty. But it look real lonely. And he still ends up back where he started. Dang. Come on, for that note. Okay. This is so deep. Oh my gosh, I love it.
왜 그러고 있어? 당신 나한테 무슨 짓을 한 거야?
Made you see your life. It looked real messed up.
내가 이딴 허접한 장난에 속을 것 같아?
It's like, dang, I keep showing these people magic and they keep calling them tricks.
그래도 재미없어요.
Don't get mad because he told you the truth through song.
괜찮아, 리엘?
Real. Sir Magic Man is real. I know, okay. I know his name now.
어떤 사이야?
Oh, he gonna come right out and ask. Okay.
아, 얘 진짜 큰일 나래네.
You was there too. You heard the song.
대체
그게 아니면 뭐냐고.
He likes
그걸
you.
꼭 말로
Yes, you do. Say your words. Use them. This man is not great at using his words. He can sing them in his head, but he can't say them out his mouth. Say your words. Talk your feelings.
이름이 뭐예요?
그러면 리엘.
What do you mean for now? So is that not his actual name?
저기 천상계랑 연결된 길이 통해 있거든. 자, 이 우체통 안은 시공간을 초월한 또 다른 세계야. 못 믿겠으면 관두고.
I don't believe you. With all the magic, that sounded like a lie.
앵무새랑 둘뿐인 줄 알았는데.
I thought it was too.
한 건가?
I was wondering if he was even a person. Did he eat food? Does he sleep? Like, who did that?
이렇게 그다음에 손가락에 힘을 빼고 다시.
He is not okay with her having any type of interaction with this man.
자, 리을이의 마술쇼.
It feels more official with two people there.
나 이제 너한테 돈 받는 일 그만하려고.
아니 그냥 잊어줘. 그래줄 수 있어?
Now y'all be real friends. Real friends. without the money.
거진 나왔어?
아 예. 이것 좀 한번 보시죠.
What's going on?
훼손되는 인상착의만 확인 가능한 정도입니다.
Wait a minute.
이 옷이 좀 특이하지 않아?
그쵸?
Is it Sir Magic Man or somebody posing as Sir Magic Man?
리을 아파?
That's what hurt. Did he hurt himself?
안 아파.
I want to know his backstory.
이건 그냥
Hmm?
아주 오래전 기억이 조금 남아있는 것뿐이야.
What happened to him? Now I need to know. Now I need to know.
유나이, 담임쌤이 잠깐 보재.
Wait, what they got a picture of that they showing to each other looking all shady about?
어젯밤에 늦게 말이야. 1등의 어머님이 전화를 하셨어.
Wait, what happened?
최근에 1등 은행 계좌에서 큰 돈이 여러 차례 인출되었고 좀
Oh,
우울해 보여서
is she gonna get in trouble and not him? Man. Why? Cause you know they're not gonna question him.
유리하겠지?
Just when things start looking bright and cheery for her, how dare you? No. This drama is so good. Like, I get more and more obsessed with each episode. Like, Sir Magic Man, who now has a name, he has a backstory. And I want to know where that scar came from and why does he do magic and why is he alone with the parrot? Also, she is, again, struggling. She was so happy for most of this episode and it looks like she's going to have to take the fall because she's not the one with money. And that's so messed up. But the music in this episode, the symbolism, there's just so many aspects of this drama that are so well done. Like, one moment I'm feeling like ethereal and childlike, and the next moment I'm stressed out. This drama just has so much, and I'm so glad to watch it. Like, it's great that it's a musical, but that's not even the thing that's keeping me interested anymore. It is legitimately how well done the storytelling is. Tell me what you thought about this episode in the comments. And if you like it here and you want to see more reactions, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in my next video.